Good day to all of you. Today I will discuss the environmental issue that faces nowadays, which is the climate change. Climate change is a one of things that can affect to us, and it is have a long-term shape, temperature, and also it is the one that can damage our nature and environment. During the past century, human activities have released large amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Most of gases come from burning fossil fuel to produce energy. Greenhouse gases are like a blanket around the earth, dumping energy in the atmosphere and causing it to warm. This is called the greenhouse effect, and it is natural and necessary to support life on Earth. However, while greenhouse gases build up the climate change and result in dangerous effects to human health and ecosystem, people have adapted to stable climate we have enjoyed since the last age which ended several thousand years ago. A warmer climate can bring change that can affect our water supplies, agriculture, power and transportation system, the natural environment, and even our own health and safety. There are some climate change that are unavoidable and nothing can be done about it. For example, carbon dioxide can stay in the atmosphere for nearly a century, so Earth will continue to warm in the future.